So today's video is a follow-up on none other than the product Toji. Or is it called Toji? I'm not sure. I refer to it as, of course, none other than Toji. Like I mentioned in a previous video, I purchased this product off Amazon. I was trying to find an oil that would help promote healthy hair growth. So this product on Amazon had a lot of great reviews. So I decided to go ahead and give this product a try. Plus there weren't any videos on YouTube about this product. So hey, I guess I would be the one to do the experimentation. Anyway. Okay, you guys, so like I mentioned in my initial review of this product, it smells absolutely amazing. Amazing. I love the way that it smells, and the scent does not linger in your hair. Now, the price of this product, it wasn't bad at all. I love the price point of this product. Now that we got all the good things about Toji out the way, now I'm ready to share with you guys what did I get out of using this product. So y'all, I've been using this oil for about a month or two, maybe pushing 3. I gotta go back to see when I did my initial review of the product, but I've been using it for a while. I'm thinking about a month or 2. And y'all, I can't lie, this oil has been nothing other than and I can't lie y'all, this oil has been nothing but a nuisance to my scalp. This product has done nothing but dry my scalp. Every time I use it, within the day, my scalp begins to itch, and I begin to get a lot of dandruff. I don't like that. Now, I know back in the day, the old folk used to say that's growing dandruff. So I'm going to hope and pray that it's growing dandruff. Now, did this product help contribute to hair growth? I think it's a strong possibility that it may have contributed to some hair growth. Now, if you guys saw my length check video, around that time I was using the Toji oil, okay? So, yes, has it contributed to any hair growth? Well, around the time I released my length check video, I was using the Toji hair growth oil, and I had some tremendous hair growth. But all of that hair growth wasn't dedicated to just Toji solely, because I was using other things and doing other things in addition to utilizing Toji hair growth oil. If you have not checked out that video, then what I'll do is have a card above so that you can go ahead and you can check out that video and come back here. Also, if you did not check out my initial review of this product, I'll have a card up above for you to go ahead and check that out, and then you can come back here, girl. But anywho, so yeah, it just caused me a dry, itchy scalp, but my scalp smelled good though, because this smells amazing. My scalp smelled good, but my scalp was dry and my scalp was itchy, and I don't like that. I don't like that. It's just bad for when you're at work. It's bad when you're just out and about. It's just bad when you're on a date or whatever. It's just bad. It's just bad either way you look at it. It's just bad. Who wants a dry, itchy scalp? What I have concluded is this product isn't necessarily made to be applied direct to your scalp. That's just my personal opinion. This product may be great for any twist outs, braid outs, hair roller sets, and all of that good stuff, and you just apply a little bit in your hand and you unravel those braid outs, twist outs, curl rollers, whatever. But applying it to your scalp for hair growth, absolutely don't suggest it for that at all. Would this be a repurchase for me? No. As much as I love the way that it smells, as much as I love how lightweight the oil is, I will not repurchase this product again, because I don't like having a dry, itchy scalp at all. Do I recommend this for you? Now, like I said in a lot of my old videos, all of my, my old schoolers who've been rolling with me for a while, I highly recommend when it comes to your hair, it's trial and error, and you just have to kind of figure out what works best for you. But for me, no, I will not reuse this oil again. Now, what you can do is mix it with some shampoo, perhaps, to kind of get rid of it. Or again, like I said, use it in those braid outs, twist outs, unraveling your curl set, all that good stuff. Okay, tulips, so that concludes my update regarding the Toji hair oil. I hope this video was very helpful for you, and I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.